Welcome to Biblewhere. In this guide, we'll use Biblewhere to journey together to the Holy Land and the Holy Bible. I'll show you how simple it is to search the world's largest online databank of visual biblical content. Once you're logged in, you can either focus your search on a specific verse from the Scriptures or on a keyword. Let's start by searching the verses. On the left pane, open the New Testament and click on Matthew. Then another click on Chapter 4. Scrolling through the verses, let's focus on verse 18. Once I've clicked on it, the search results are displayed on the right side and the selected verse is highlighted in orange. See? Another way to conduct a search is by typing any word, name, or place in the search bar. Sea of Galilee, for example. This search has generated quite a few results. Notice there's a different icon and color for each file type. Yellow for articles, green for photos, red for videos, and blue for maps. You can filter the results to display only articles, photos, videos, or maps. I've selected videos. By clicking on any one of the search results, the contents of that item will be displayed. Moreover, Biblewhere can filter results by epochs. Click on Period, and then on the bar below to open the drop-down list. There's more. Biblewhere automatically finds verses that correspond to your search word and displays them on the left pane. Our display is adapted to your device. So if you're using a smartphone or a handheld device, simply click on the Bible search box and choose any verse from the drop-down list. To view an item that interests you, simply click on it. Designed to deepen your understanding of the Holy Scriptures, Biblewhere provides additional links for your consideration at the bottom of each item. These include biblical verses relevant to this item, periods of time, and other items related to the same authors. Clicking on any link will lead you on a journey through this incredibly rich visual collection. Of course, you can also search for verse-specific content by typing it in the search bar rather than selecting it from the left pane. Now your quest for knowledge of the Holy Land and the Holy Bible is truly just a click away. Bring the bliss of knowledge to your life.